The dreaded simp. Guys, don't be the guy giving women free validation, right? Free attention, free money. In the first part of this video, I'm gonna tell you guys why simping is literally ruining your life. And stay tuned till the end because I'm gonna show you how to flip the script and get women chasing and simping for you. First thing I wanna talk about is no woman likes a needy guy. And if you're simping, you're inherently needy. In one way or another, she is disrespecting you, right? Whether it's not talking to you, whether it's not responding to you, whether it's making you pay for crazy dates and you not getting anything in return, and you keep going along with this same pattern. You don't respect yourself. You keep giving in because, oh my gosh, right? She's so hot. She's so beautiful, right? This is the only way I can get her. What if I told you guys all these same women you're simping over are probably simping over another guy, a guy who didn't have to pay for anything, right? A guy who didn't have to listen to any special rules. She slept with him on the first date. Look guys, to make matters clear, simping is literally ruining your brain because every time you simp for a girl, you're telling yourself you're not worth it, right? You're not good enough. This is how I deserve to be treated. It's literally a toxic state that a lot of you guys have a hard time getting out of. And that's just the detriments to the male side. Now, let's talk a little bit about what the women experience, right? When guys are willing to do everything for them, bend over backwards, pay for their apartments, pay for their clothing, get on private jets, fund their whole entire lifestyles, what do you think it does to these girls' egos? Right? Let's switch the script for a second. You're a guy and every day women are hitting you up. Hey, let me take you here. Hey, is it cool if I pay for your apartment? Hey, I'm booking us a trip to Tulum, Mexico. Of course, after a week, after 2 weeks, you're gonna start thinking you're the shit, right? You're the man, I'm him, right? Everyone's after me, right? I'm the king of the castle. Now imagine getting this type of validation for years and years and years. Can we blame these women for being that way? I don't think so. Guys, at the end of the day, you need to have some self-respect for yourself. Take a look in the mirror. Right? Delete all your OnlyFans subscriptions. Stop going to Pornhub 3 times a day. Stop doing all these things. Have self-respect for yourself because we're the only ones who can fix it, and it's the simps who are ruining it for everybody else. Boys, if you watch this far and you need extra help in your dating life, you're serious about investing in yourself, me and Jesse have a crazy offer. Guys are getting wild results. So if you really need help, book a free 30-minute call in the description below. Let's talk about how to flip the script, how to get women simping over you. The first thing I need to touch base on here, guys, is she cannot be the main focus of your life. I know you guys have read countless books like The Way of the Superior Man or Models by Mark Manson, and those books will go to show you just how important it is to have focus in your life. Don't make women the main priority. Second thing I want to touch base on, guys, is don't always be too available. And this plays in tandem with the first thing I told you. Guys, it's simple economics. If something is always available to you, you tend to take it for granted. Listen, guys, I'm not saying it's right or good, but I will tell you it is definitely true. Another great tip for you guys is give her unforgettable experiences in the bedroom, right? Don't just have boring missionary positions. Switch it up, right? Do it in public. Do it in the freaking woods. Do it behind a bush. Do it on your kitchen counter. Switch things up. Try different positions, you know? Be dominant. Don't be afraid to be that dominant guy in the bedroom. Women really like it. There's a reason 50 Shades of Grey is such a popular book. He's not there being lovey-dovey and just giving her boring missionary. Read between the line, guys. Guys, a woman's imagination is your greatest tool to get her to fall for you. So if you do those 3 things I mentioned earlier correctly, her imagination will be running rampant, right? Filling in empty space, thinking about where he is or what he's doing. Let her imagination run wild because it's your guy's greatest asset. Boys, thank you for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button and I'll talk to you soon.